Okay, so number one, you can get exceptional hygiene, and number two, we're trying to put the bend all the way after cut it. Alright, so after we prep this for implant immediate temporizations, now it's a full design, kind of edge to edge, but we're trying to get the occlusion contact. Okay, so side view, occlusion view, so and then occlusion view without opposing matter. Okay, that's good. So we're going to make the lower spike block. So set up, and then underneath panic. Alright, that's the important parts. We make all convex, football type, football shape. So make cleansability. Okay, and then put it back to. Alright, then this is a design from the before. And then we're going to see the better. Okay, and then without this implant. Okay, that's the eye grinded. Alright, cool. Okay, so this one is the temporary implant case is just out. And put over here with the incision one. And then now I take it out. After put the wire. Guys, finals, underneath we will go trying to make the hygiene underneath. I cannot make really football shape, but it's just a little bit here. Will be better on the top indentation. Yeah, that's good. The other side, one by one. Here, that's good, right? Awesome. Here, good. Just a little down there. Yeah, the other side. All right. See, just little indentation here. All right. Maybe a little bit close in between tools, and then here, that's good. Just a little bit, and just a little here. Beautiful. Show me the occlusion. Okay, this is the finals. We're going to porcelain build up, and there's metal, linger, fascia. Great, that's the final. Alright, ready to. I'm going to trim it here a little bit later. Okay, cool. Okay, so finally we finished the nice long-term temporary bridge with the wire, and then we give them the really exceptional contours underneath panic, which is more football shape. Okay, so number one, you can get exceptional hygiene, and number two, we're trying to put the bend all the way after cut it, and put the good wire bending wire techniques. So not only aesthetics, and then you can get the exceptional hygiene in a couple months after they took it out the tooth, place implants before, and then this is the setup, and then here is the impressions. Okay, and then after that we cut it back everything. And then we made the exceptional temporization for him. Okay, so in the future we will going to bring in, this is access hole. If doctors want, so we can make the screw retain for sure. So this is a great final informations sent to the Tennessee, and he gave us this great by record for